Hey guys, welcome back to Thieves Life. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the origami skeleton hand. So without further ado, let's get on this video. So for this model, I'm going to be using a 18 by 18 size square origami paper. Let's start with the fold in a triangular half. Make sure to be very neat with your folds. Unfold and do the same with the other side. After you've done that, you see you've got an X type shape on your paper. You're going to be getting your paper up like that and pushing along its sides, so it becomes into the paper bomb fold, base. So basically what did we do is, we got these two layers towards the cross and we made the water bomb base like that. Now after we have done that, we're going to be taking one flap from the right and moving it towards the left. Unfolding, turning over and taking the side from the left towards the right again and unfolding. So now basically on each side, left and right, we have two flaps each. Now what are we going to do is, we're going to be taking the right hand flaps directly to the left hand side and making this triangle like this. Now after we have made a triangle, I'm going to be using the top part of it. I'm going to be cutting it down. Unfold. So you see I've made this line right here. You're going to be taking the bottom part towards the line you've made like that. Be very neat with your folds. And now after you've done that, you're getting two lines, one right here and one right here. After you've done that, you see the line you've made right here. You're going to be taking this and putting it to the line you've made. So this fold is going to be really small. It's going to be looking something like this. Unfold. So now you have two lines. Now what are we going to do is, we're going to be getting the fold again, the mini fold again. We're going to be turning it over and getting the other flap like that. So basically you're making a fan fold now. Turn over, and I see this part, you're going to be getting it right here. So I'm going to be getting it right here. I'm going to be turning over and I see this line I've already made right here. I'm going to be turning towards the line like that. And now after we have done that, you see we have made this line here too. We're going to be moving it there. So be sure that this is matched with this and press. And now turn, and finally you have made the fan fold we wanted like this. So after we are done making the fan fold like we wanted, we're going to be unfolding the full thing. And now you see we have two edges here. We're going to be taking the edge which is closed. So basically not the open one which have the flaps, but the closed ones which have no flap. So to my left, I'm going to be moving it. I'm going to be putting it right here. And it's going to be looking something like this. Now after I've done that, I'm going to be getting this triangle in front of me. So it's going to be like this. And now you see these lines, we have made all these lines which are there. We're going to be folding against them. So this teeny weeny line I see right here, I'm going to be folding on it. Be sure to press nicely. I'm going to turn over and I see this other line right here. I'm going to fold towards it. So basically making the fan but seeing where the folds are going. Turning around and making the fold. Keep pressing it very nicely because it's going to be a spring down here. Then making the fold again. Turn over and make the fold. on over and make the fold. And successfully we have made the base. So now after we have made the base, we're going to be stretching out the fingers. So as you guys can see, we have a thumb right here. So we're going to be like stretching it out from the spring like that. We have the other fingers right here. We're going to be removing it from here. And this I'm going to make them a little broader. So as you guys are noticing, we are spreading it out from the main section right here. So let's do that with this also. And we have one more left. And finally we are done making the hand. Now only we have the curves to make, like those bumps you saw in the picture. We're going to be making those bumps now. So since we have made the hand now, we're going to be making the bumps. So as you guys can see, on each finger we have a lining like this. We're going to be cutting it into half. We're going to be basically folding against it into half. See it right here. So we get this closed thing like this. We're going to be doing that to all the fingers. So we make the half right here. So after we are done making them with all the 4 fingers except the thumb, now we're going to be making those, those cracks in the nail, like those bumps. So now as you guys can see, in those lines we have made, we have like a line right here inside. We're going to be putting a nail right here inside and making that nice bump like that. We have made the nice bump like this. We're going to be doing that 2 times to each fingernail. So once is done. So after we are done making the cracks to each nail except the thumb, we are going to be making a little curve on the thumb. We're going to be bending the thumb a little like that. And successfully we are done with making the skeleton hand. So that's it for today guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell me down in the comments below if you have liked this video or not. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye.